Daily Dems doing the work, making noise, and fighting back. Day 154. Quickly, I just want to say thank you for all the birthday love. I can't respond to everything, but I loved all of it. This week's Repping the Rep is Wesley Bell, who represents Missouri 1, the former prosecutor, DA, and public defender. I implore you to leave your preconceived notions at the door. I think you might find that you like him more than you expected to. Like this story. Yesterday, he canvassed door to door, not for a candidate or a measure, but to make sure everyone in St. Louis knows how to apply for FEMA assistance if they need it, and help them do so. They finally got the funding over a month after the tornado. It reminds me of something Dave Min would do. Nanette Barragan was with Indivisible South Bay for their rally for our port city. It's not a super large protest, but she was there anyway, and I think that's really cool. Mary Gay Scanlon was in front of SCOTUS, which ironically is being refurbished. He explains why the injunction ruling just doesn't make sense, based purely on the merits of the case. Mark Kelly is reminding all of us to call our senators and members of Congress. In the Senate, this isn't over. Votorama doesn't even start till 9 a.m. They know it's a bad deal, and the more we bombard them, the better. Amy Klobuchar got choked up in her statement yesterday about the bill. But it wasn't just because of the bill. She and Tina Smith had to stay in Washington instead of going to Melissa Hortman's funeral, because Republicans forced the bill now. For this week's Is This Ish Legal, Sydney Kamlager-Dove spoke to Pramila Jayapal, who's not a lawyer, but you don't need to be a lawyer to know that the Alien Enemies Act is illegal. While the legality might not matter right now, it will matter come January 4th, 2027. And finally, Adam Schiff has a hopeful take. If the betrayal bill does pass, God forbid, the Republican messaging tactic won't work in the same way. It's one thing to say January 6th was full of tourists. It's another thing to say your hospital, which just closed, is actually not closed, it's in your imagination. It affects someone directly, it's a lot harder to make them believe the lie. So those are just some of our fighters. We have so many. I could have spent 24 hours on this post and I still wouldn't have hit all the ways they're fighting back. I mean, Chuck Schumer made the clerks read the entire bill. And Amy Klobuchar and Tammy Baldwin were on the steps of the Capitol doing a sit-in with those who will be affected by the Medicaid cut. So much! If you made it to the end of this post, comment with 7 words to help the algorithm. And a red octagon. We're gonna stop this thing, right? And if you watched or read any of these stories, comment with an arm holding a phone. That's what you're gonna be doing tomorrow morning, right? We are the majority, and our voices are our superpower, but only when we use them.